Fact 25. Do you know the ugly fruit? That fruit with the rough, wrinkly, greenish yellow skin wrapped around the orange? Yes, that one. Ugly fruit tangelo is a mix of the orange and grapefruit that was called pomelo, therefore tangelo, the mixture of orange and grapefruit. Yes, it is endemic to Jamaica, but it could not be so ugly because other countries are eating it. Yes, according to the Jamaica Agricultural Society, the tangelo fruit was exported to Panama, London, New Zealand, and Australia. So, ugly orange jaguan. Yes, it's interesting, Faxi. And thanks to our inventors like David Daniel Phillips, with the help of Charles Jackson, they were the ones who invented this orange, the ugly orange. An interesting fact indeed. Happy Independence, Jamaica! And thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, Doraytee. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?